This is the bird I'm going to attempt to replace for seaweed. I'm trying to think of names related to ice, because that's how the bird looks. It is I do believe it is a pied. I do believe it's a pied. Cannot see it. Oh, hi! And, hi. So, I do believe it is like a pied or something. It's a blue. It's a blue bird. Hi. So let's get this to like adjust to the darkness inside the box. Okay, so the bird's over this way. Oh, hi. Oh, is that a female? They gave me a female. Elvis, I hope you are not of mature age. I don't need babies. Even if hybrids with cockatiels and parakeets are impossible. I was thinking icy. Ice. Glacier. Something. Your name is something.